Hi, my name is Miley, and I am the creator and designer of MP Creative Design. And if you're watching this video, you are entering the 5 theories of how to build your own website. My purpose and goal of this whole 5 step series is just really to help you understand the process of what it takes to set up a website, but also to help you understand the function of the website so that you can utilize it and customize it to what your purpose for it is. Also, my hope is that you'll gain a lot of confidence and see that it's not as overwhelming as it looks like it can be, but I'm just here to help you and point you in the right direction. If I haven't bored you with my introduction, keep watching. Alrighty, so with starting on how to set up your own website, the first step is setting up and purchasing a domain name. So for a domain name, if you're not familiar with the term, your domain name is basically your website address, and it's usually associated with an address to direct someone to your website. For example, if you were to, like most people on their phones, if they go to their Chrome or Safari and they typed in Google, the first thing you probably don't notice is it says www.google.com. That is a domain name. And so with the domain name, usually if you have a business, it's the www.yourbusinessname, and then after that it's .com or .org or .net. So for mine, it's www.mpcreativedesigns.org. And this usually will direct someone to my website where I put what my services are, also my portfolio, and some tutorials as well. Alrighty, so the first step into getting a domain name is you do have to purchase one from somewhere. And so with this and with any website, just to give you a heads up, it does cost money. So nothing's really ever free. So I did decide to just choose this website to kind of give you a look at the top 10 places that have really good reviews as far as getting a domain name and having a web host service your domain name and website. And as far as what a web host is, I will share with you in our next series on what they are, but just a little bit of background. A web host is just basically a company that holds your website and your domain name in a place where it can be accessed through the internet. And so I decided to go to this particular business because I've never used this yet, but it looked like it was the cheapest option for me at the time. So if you just like maybe put in your business name with no spaces in between, you can check which domain is available. And so I just decided to go with the first one. Alrighty, and so after adding your preferred domain name into your cart, this new window will pop up, which will offer some options with not just your domain name to purchase, but I decided to only do a domain only purchase because there's a different web host in mind that I want to use as far as building my website. You don't have to do the same option as me, but if you want to, you can follow along. But if you just rather just have everything all in one area to where you don't have to, do some extra work, which is what I will be showing you in the next series. Maybe the best option would be the my website option, which not only offers your domain name, but it provides you with a business email account that you can use if you don't want to use your Gmail account or Yahoo or Hotmail. Also, with any domain or website building, you will need storage as far as like all of your content and information, which I will also be getting into in a later series. But that would be the best option if you do not want to do any extra work. And so here I'm just showing you what it looks like after checking out. You're basically just filling in your information as far as, your billing address, your business name, and also your credit card information, which to purchase it, which I had deleted for security reasons. But if you have any questions about that, just, Facebook message me, or you can even text me or email me, which you can find on my website. Alright, and once you are done with your purchase, you should come up to a confirmed order or thank you for your purchase or order now screen, which will finalize your purchase for your domain name. And once you click that, you should be getting an email confirmation, either to your business or personal email. Alright, and that is a wrap about domain names. If you have any questions or are stuck or confused, comment in the section below, or you can email me or Facebook message me. But if anything, you can move on to our next series, which is about the web host.
My main purpose of this five simple steps series. If you're watching this video, the purpose of this video is to help what your purpose for it is.